Hello again. I hope you have all enjoyed some of the summer weather, dodging wildfires and smoke in some cases, and paying close attention to what has been going on with the spread of COVID. We've been watching with some alarm the growing transmission of the Delta variant, largely among those not yet vaccinated, although there are now cases of those fully vaccinated also being infected. These unanticipated developments have called into question how the post-secondary system can undertake a full return to campus on September the 7th, as originally directed by the BC Public Health Office and the Ministry of Advanced Education and Skills Training. In light of the current trends in infection rates, the PHO and AEST have now mandated the wearing of masks while indoors at all institutions for at least the first 2 months of the fall semester. For those students and employees who had concerns about being face-to-face again at this time, this is welcome news. Furthermore, all post-secondary institutions are also subject to the proof of vaccination policy now in place for all non-essential indoor group activities, such as gatherings, concerts, conferences, sports and recreation, and presumably cafeteria eating. KPU is well prepared to continue ensuring that it is fully operational and a safe place to work and study, and our return to campus plan for September the 7th can easily be tweaked to include the new public health orders, although timing is short. Our priority will be to continue to provide an optimal educational experience for students while minimizing risk of infection for everybody. We're using the following guidelines and assumptions as we pivot to address this emerging situation. We trust our employees, who for the last 17 months have demonstrated their ability to serve both students and each other using diverse delivery methods. We salute the KPU students who have shown themselves to be adaptable and resilient. KPU's instructors are skillful in managing their classes, and during this unique period of adjustment, we empower and encourage them to use their own best judgment on how to safely deliver their courses. We empower and encourage all non-instructional areas to adjust to the new mask order in consultation with their supervisors and colleagues. We must finalize our adjusted plans quickly, and I would say by at least by noon, August the 30th, which gives us just 1 week then to put up signage, develop communications, and deal with the 1001 other details that any changes will prompt. We will ensure that students are well informed of any changes to the delivery of their classes and services, and we will provide spaces for them to study on campus. We will keep and adhere to the current fall semester timetable to offer either face-to-face or synchronous online classes so that we can easily go back to our original plan when appropriate. We will proceed with all the planned on-campus hands-on instructional activities, labs, shops, studios, and assessment sessions adapted as necessary to the indoor mask mandate. If you ever need one, a non-medical surgical mask will be available to you at a security office on each campus. And speaking of which, we have ordered branded KPU masks, which will be made available to frontline employees first. And these masks will allow students who seek assistance to easily identify employees. Enhanced cleaning procedures remain in place, and ventilation systems will continue to be maintained in accordance with industry standards and WorkSafe BC requirements. Food services will reopen on campus, although, as stated earlier, sitting and eating in cafeterias may require proof of vaccination as prescribed by the BC government. More to come on that soon. We will encourage all those who are not yet vaccinated to do so at one of the several on-campus and mobile clinics at KPU or in the community. Under the guidance of WorkSafe BC, we have developed a communicable disease prevention plan to reduce the risk of all respiratory illnesses, including COVID-19. We'll send a reminder on what this means before September the 7th, But as of that date, employees and others will not need to report their daily health self-assessments, nor make a request for a campus visit. This will probably not be the last time that we will have to adjust at short notice, always with much uncertainty. It is yet another unprecedented situation requiring a lot of trust and goodwill. Hopefully, we can return to a more predictable and structured way of delivering our mandate and mission sooner than later. We're all learning how to cope, and so we all need to continue to be flexible with and generous towards each other. Take care. Talk soon.